Today's video is going to be about a Chief Master Sergeant head. It's an enlisted gift that you can give those that make the grade of E9. These are particularly for the Air Force. Usually what individuals do that are getting the gift for someone is they put their line number in the center to personalize it, or they put their name in it just to make it special for the person that's receiving it. These are pretty easy to do. I use a couple different tool paths with some different end mills, and I'll talk about that during the video on the CNC. And then the finishing process, also very simple, but done in the correct order is how it gets the finish, and it's a lot cleaner. So I'll walk everybody through that as well. Enjoy. For this project, we'll use 3 end mills. The first one will be a 20 degree, and that engraves the outline of the chief. The next end mill will be a 102 end mill, which is 1/8, I believe, and that will pocket out the stripes. And then the last end mill will be a 1/4 inch end mill, which is a 201, and we'll use that to cut it out. And you'll see that in the video. So once the CNC is all done carving out your chief head, what you'll do is clean it up real good, and then you just want to throw spray paint down over the entire thing. No reason to be careful here. You're going to be sanding once it's dry. Now that the chief head is cut out with the 201 bit, you can take some, I usually start with 120 and then end up with 220 and just sand off that black spray paint that's above where I pocketed out, which will leave a great looking outline. Now after you vacuumed out, what you do is take a hard bristle brush. It's not going to mess the paint up, and then you brush it lightly to get all of the sawdust and just the debris out of the crevices that the 20 degree engraving bit laid down. Then you'll see here I'm taking the chief head off of the table. I use nails, just very secure, and it's quick, super simple. And then I just take a flush cut saw, little hand saw, and cut the tabs. So after the polyacrylic application, it's just a water-based sealant basically, covers up the paint and helps protect it. What you see here is around 11 inches wide by 11 inches tall and around 1 inch thick. This one actually weighs 1 pound, around 13 ounces, so it's pretty inexpensive to ship. 3 different tool paths for a total cut time, I think, for around 45 minutes. So these are pretty easy to make and very profitable for the shop. If you'd like me to make a video on how to do the tool paths, just let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching.